Hello, hello. Good morning. So let's take a look at upcoming Monday's BankEx expiry. Just give me a second. Sorry about that. I'm just aligning my setup. So this is a monthly chart for BankEx, and let's see if we see any clear levels for this expiry. So clearly there is this volume imbalance. There's a lot of wicks happening at this level. So let's mark this entire range as a volume imbalance because there's no body in this section. So until unless एक candle का body इसको cover नहीं करेगा, we'll keep this area intact and we'll wait for market to fill it. So basically directionally because we bearish चल रहा है market, so we expect more bearishness or एक body to cover this area. So that's gonna be the theme for the next week. So we'll see how market will react. There are these clear lows which market has created, which are pretty near. Just going to mark these two highs. These are also pretty clear. Like if market comes down here, it might take some sort of support. So एक upside का trade हो सकता है उस levels पे. And no harm in marking this, even this last month's low, because all these will become liquidity. Market can come down, clear all these areas, and then try to resume a little bit up move. But then for the next week, I think these will become pretty crucial. All these lows. देखते हैं weekly पे. Weekly there was this fair value gap. Market has retraced into it, and then sharply has given a reaction towards downside. So again we see ये विक का जैसा एग्जांपल है. ये विक मार्केट ने क्रिएट किया था in that 7th October week. Look how beautifully it kind of उसके support लेके वहीं से मार्केट ने थोड़ा अप मूव दिखाया. So again this 57,500 level becomes crucial. वहाँ पे मार्केट आएगी. We'll see how it's reacting. So yeah, this area is pretty crucial as well. And rest we among this another clear volume imbalance between two candles. And this is within our high level monthly का जो volume imbalance है उसके अंदर है. So but yeah, no point marking the others. And then even this last week's low becomes a liquidity. But yeah, I think that's all I see on the weekly. Let's switch to daily. Daily, yeah, until unless this fair value gap and this volume imbalance, if you see, until unless market doesn't come above this level, which is like 50, let's say 59,000, take support, I don't think there's any point in going long in this market. तो मार्केट को प्रूव करना चाहिए कि कुछ स्ट्रेंथ है. वो तभी होगा जब ये fair value gap fill होके market starts to respect this level, which is 59,000. अगर वो होगा, then we'll start to see these up targets again. Okay, until unless that happens, I don't think there's a point in going long. Abhi, there's this volume imbalance as well, and even this is another volume imbalance. Because this one is within this all lows, so I don't think there's a point in marking them. But of course you can. There's this another one here, slightly below the monthly, but I think for the next week this is what will be my focus. And yeah, on top, like I said, this fair value gap is important, bearish fair value gap. And that's about it, I think. And all these different daily lows, all these are also kind of within this broader monthly lows. So I think from a liquidity perspective, yeah, I think ये areas target होंगे. So let's switch to 4 hours. 4 hours, again, there's this another fair value gap which I'm seeing. Yeah, again, market should first fill this, try take support, then target ये fair value gap हो जाएगा. अगर उधर आके फिर उसका भी support ले लिया, then this eventual swing high will be the target. So that's how we should see. Even this wick, if you see, the lower part of the wick is being respected. Let's see वो क्या level आ रहा है. That is the 57,000 level. So again, market can take some sort of a support there before kind of going down and clearing these lows. So yeah, it's a round number, so I think it's okay if we don't mark it. And as even this low is on that 57,000 level, so it's kind of coinciding with that, so no need to mark that. Even there's a clear gap, the fair value gap, which actually has filled with this candles, so no need to mark that. Yeah, I think that's about it on the 4 hours. Let's switch to 1 hour. 1 hour, there's this gap remaining. It's actually coinciding with the 4 hours, so it's okay. Below, there is this bullish fair value gap, so it's a good idea to mark this, just so that we can understand whether the market is trying to just like turn really bearish, or is it respecting key levels of जो basically bullish ideas हैं, जो fair value gaps हैं, उनको respect कर रही है. So we'll see, but it's a good idea that we mark this, because at this point market is respecting this fair value gap, so we need to I think take the bearish positions only if the market is closing below this, and then also making fair value gaps along the way on the downside. That would be a confirmation कि ये सारे lows attack होने वाले हैं for this week. And even this was created right at the end, this fair value gap, so it's a good idea to mark this. So yeah, it will be interesting, like market opens flat, then for the Monday's expiry, I think opening flat will be like a sideways kind of an expiry, because on the top this is like a clear liquidity, like यहाँ पे mostly people will move their stop losses, right? So it will never happen कि market सीधा नीचे खुले and then it will keep going down. That will be a very easy trade for everyone, right? So market will, I think what I'm thinking is market will be opening like somewhere flat or maybe slightly down, and then it will first try and kind of kick the buyers, the sellers here. I think इस levels के ऊपर आ जाएगी 58,730, and then maybe it will continue going down. And of course, we'll have to see where market is opening and how it's kind of behaving. But idea would be to fill this gap, this fair value gap, take support, kill all the sellers who might have their stop losses levels ke upar, and fill this fair value gap as well. Again, if it sustains above this level, then I'll be thinking about this swing high. But again, for Monday, I don't think it's a large range again hone wala hai. I think 58,800 and 57,500 would be that ideal like call put sell trade. Again, like I said, kahan open ho raha hai, that's important. Let's switch to 30 minutes. 30 minutes, there's these fair value gaps already marked, but this always like a good idea to keep marking. Too bright. Again, marking these every time frame just helps you to understand what is currently market is doing, right? So as soon as this fair value gap is filled and market is closing above fair value gap, you can go ahead and kind of remove this. But till the time gap is fully filled and candle has closed above it, I think you should keep that on the chart. And downside, again, this is entire fair value area. This is bullish. Market has created right at the end this area. So yeah, until this market comes below this level and this fair value gap, I don't think this should be any selling for these levels. Yeah, I think we covered mostly everything. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, these fair value gap stands we have marked. And this one, don't want to refine, you can refine it. Basically, yeah, these two. Let me increase a little bit. So yeah, the 15 minute, these are the two fair value gaps. We'll see how market is kind of respecting these three fair value gaps for an up move. So yeah, let's switch to 5 minutes. Yeah, all these you can refine on your charts. Yeah, fair value gaps, but we have covered, I think, mostly everything. Of course, this low, daily low and daily high becomes important. But yeah, I think Monday looks like a both ways, like killing both sides kind of a day. Again, there are multiple 1 minute fair value gaps. This is a 1 minute chart. So again, it's always good to mark them individually to see how market is kind of whether it's even respecting any of the 1 minute fair value gaps, and then take your entries accordingly. Let's quickly look at 30 seconds. Yeah, I don't see anything else. Let's switch to 15 seconds. I'm just trying to see if there are any gaps. There's one gap here. A very small like point. There are a couple of gaps here. this you can mark. Will become, these are pretty near, so on quickly at open only the market will kind of fill them. Of course 58,000 will be tested, and these all Vevelicas will become target, but I think for Monday it's pretty it will be a kind of both sides kill expiry, in my opinion. Again, could be very sideways expiry as well. But by looks of it, looks like first they'll try and show that market is going down, but then eventually they'll, with speed, they'll go up to get all the sellers out, and then eventually they'll start to come down. So yeah, we'll see how market kind of holds, but any one side, I think you can easily capture a couple of 100 points Monday. So I will see how market will unfold. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel. It's a new channel. I'll be coming out with today live trading videos. So please do subscribe and give it a like. There are other concepts which I'm also going to make some videos. So as and when we get more viewers and more likes, I'll try to share my my ideas with you guys. So thank you. Have a nice weekend. Bye.